Name is Rishikesh Kumar. Today I am going to explain my project which I made it. So my project name is product list. So first of all I open my project folder, and first of all I activate the virtual environment, and activate it. After that here enter the project folder, and I open it in VS Code. Product project has already opened in the VS Code. Now I start to run server python manage dot py run server. Now my server got ready, and now I am going to the Chrome and open it in localhost colon 8000. And first of all I saw the home page to the welcome message to welcome to the Django product listing, which is the home page. And now this home page, how I get it, because of in the product list as a URL mention the path home with the alias name home. This function is the in the view function. I can see here there is the main page, and return the render base.html, which is our this page. There is the welcome message with the some styles, and in the header I include the header navbar. In the main I include content blocking, and the footer part I include the footer.html. Now I came to the explanation of the whole project. So let's start. At the very first, from project urls file, URL pattern follow the path. Django says I will call the home with the function home name, and then browser show the welcome page with the navigation menu, that means navbar menu with the base.html file. Now when I want to see the product list, and I clicking here, there is no any product listed, and add it. When from the navigation menu through of the product list of the navigation menu, go to the navbar.html file. Through the navbar.html I can see here there is the home, there is the home with the ginger tag with the alias name home, and product also. Here I can see there is the product list navbar with the ginger tag linked the product list app, the prod list. Now then we saw the hyperlink reference alias product list app, the product list. Then Django look for product list namespace plus product name. Then I see in the app urls.py, in the app urls.py there are the product all product list. Now views.py will open for this, and this all product list function will show the render page with the product list.html, which is this part. Now I already there is the edit and add product form. I mention the product list.html, and this is also mentioned in the add product.html. Now come to the product list.html. First of all, I create the div tag with the add or edit product. Now form method will be the post and id product form. I passed it into it with the csrf token. Then take the input. There is the label with the input type hidden, name product id, and id product id with the form control class type text and name with the placeholder which is so in the product name input. Now I can see here there is the no any product added it. Now after that, what the get initially empty. After this we are rendering the template product list.html, then show the form plus table all. This is the form part and this is the table part. Form all product which is initially empty now come with the example to add the product and fill the all required input. Then when I click to save button, then what did I see? When I click to add product, now this suppose my product name is laptop. There the this based in all based for all performance. Now I put the date of manufacturing of this February 3, validity for 2 years, and price will be 75,000. When I click to save button, then Ajax click function will triggered. Now Ajax collect the all data from the add product page and they passed it to the URLs pattern with the add product, and this add product the passed it into the function. Now function what did see, they check the method of the data there is the post or not, and initially I can see here in the add product I mentioned the method of data is to be post, and in the Ajax part also where the JavaScript take the all data from the page, there is the also mentioned with the post method. Now they take the product ID, their name, their descriptions, their manufacturing date, validity with the price with the CSRF token for the ship response. Now while required variables and the Ajax it sent through the using post method to add product. Now add product goes to the urls.py route to views.py and add product function at the very first checking the condition that it will create the product dictionary. There what is the condition of the here, there is the post method, and after this they will create the dictionary which is product dict, and this dictionary got appended into the product list. Where is my product list? This is the my product list which is initially empty. Now Ajax, what will show with the JSON response with the product added successfully in the list, and there is the they render to the page product rows.html, which is this, and they'll check the if product list there are rows. With the rows there are id, product name, description, manufacturing date, validity. They will return the return the text into the column to one by one, and at the in the edit rows I can see edit button and delete button also. When I click to the save button, the product added successfully got saved, and in the product list I can see here there is the in the edit section there is the edit button, in the delete section there is the delete button, and with the every column there have with the variables their name, their descriptions, their manufacturing date, validities, and price will got printed here. Now come to the another part. Let's add some more product here. Mouse, the this is best for all computers, and date of manufacturing 10/5/2024, and validity for 1 years, and price will 1500. Now come to the save and enter it. Product added successfully in the same page which is product list is here. Now add one more project which is headphone with the this is wireless headphone. Now date of the manufacturing 12/11/2024, and same with the validity for 2 years, and price will 2500, and click to the save. The product added successfully got. There is the 3 product added successfully in our product list. So now after adding all product into the list, when I click to edit button, there is with the edit message, edit mode, make changes and click to update. There is the from the save to update button got updated here, and now they after click to the edit button, they take the product name with the description, manufacturing date, validity, and price, and they text and send it to the edit. There is the edit with the parameter with the views function with the edit product, and edit function will got opened here. Now product will update and it will be the show on the product list page without reloading the page. Now first of all, there is the product is the variable initially known for p in the product list. When I am adding it product in the product list. First of all, if there is the id of the product which is in which is hidden in the page. Now the, with the p variable which is temporary, I take it from the initially and there check the key value which is id equal or not. If their product is equal to equal, then break and give the response there is the product not found. If there is the equal, the product success message will be show and product will be the product can show. Now with the views.py function checks the product id. If yes, then find the update and all the field with the new values, then it will return the json message product updated successfully. Here is product updated successfully. Sorry, here I can see product update message successfully with the edit part. Now in the edit part there is the take product button clicked and there is the message to the. Now I can see into the views.py there is the product updated successfully with the id, there is a name, there is description, manufacturing date and validity. In this there is no not to be changed in the id. You can change the name, description, manufacturing date, validity and price only, and they return to the product rows.html page which is this and with the edit button and delete button. Now when I update the price of our laptops, suppose I want to be decreased it and update, then product update successfully, the price updated instantly because of in the ajax. I can see here clearly there is the prevent default. Without reloading the page, it will update the price of the product. I can change also. I can change the only name, description, manufacturing date, validity also. Then it will return the message with the and button got saved to update change via this method. And now come to the delete action. So if I want to delete my product, they show the pop-up message, are you sure want to delete this, where I wrote this message. In the delete section I can clearly see here there is the confirm message is here and return it when I click to delete button. And now what can I see in the when I click to the cancel, they will be immediately cancel and function will be stopped. Now when I click to again it and click to OK, they take the product id. This product id goes to the views.py. There will be list and match the list with the id with the product, and if there is exist there, then it will check with the id product id. There's if they stick exist, they can immediately product delete successfully will be applied. Now if there is no any id, product not to be found message in the JSON response I can see now. And after this I can see in the same page without reloading it. Here product list got updated. If I click to again it delete, and there will be pop-up message got product successfully deleted and all product list updated here. Now I can explain in the very first. In the short I can say with the home page at the very first URL pattern follow the path. Django says it will the I will call the home function. The browser show the welcome page with the navigations menu. And now when I click to product list, the link from the navigation menu control go to the navbar.html in the template folder, and then we saw the hyperlink reference with the alias name product list app with colon product prod list. Then Django look for the prod list app name plus product list name in the urls.py. I can see here with the product list and all product, there is the route of our product list. So now then I see in the app urls.py there have mentioned path all product build dot all product and name is equal to a prod list. All product function get calls them, and after that what will get the initially empty after the we are rendering the templates product list.html on the page which is initially empty. Now come with the example to add product and fill the all required input. Then when I click to save button, then Ajax button save product check the event and got triggered. Now JavaScript collects the form data and send it into the views.py. And now views.py first of all send it to the urls.py route, and route send it to the view.py add product function. At the very first checking the condition that what is the data method, it will be the post or not, because I can see here initially it will check the data is post method or not. Then it will create the product dictionary. The dictionary will be created by with the ID, their name, the description, manufacturing date, validity and price input. Then this dictionary will append into the product list. Then they return the JSON response, and this dictionary got appended into the prod list and return the message with the product added successfully in JSON response. And now route to the render project with the add product HTML again, and I click to laptop, there is the validity, this is best, and now there is the manufacturing date. Suppose my manufacturing date is 12/2/2025, and now validity for 2 years and price will be 65,000. And when I click to save button, this data will all data go through the take JavaScript and send it into the urls.py, and urls.py there is a urls pattern route to the views.py, and then views.py add add product function will get called. If the data is post method, they create the data, and this data create the dictionary, and dictionary will append into the list, and this dictionary I can see. Now Ajax successfully call back them and clear all the fields, then show the green success message for the time being. Now after adding all the product, when I click to edit button for a specific product, then event is triggered, then JavaScript read all the data attributes form button and fill the form with the existing data for editing, and button will change shape to update. Now we are changing the some input in the clicks to update, and now Ajax send the data through the post method to add product, while the ID product will be update, and it will be show on the product list page without reloading the page initially. When I click to edit and I want to change in the price, suppose my price will be 2400, and this update will be say products are added successfully, and instantly I can see here the price will updated. Now views.py function check the product ID, if yes then find the product with the ID in the list, update all the fields with the new values, then it will return the JSON message product updated successfully. Where is it mentioned that is product updated successfully, here I can see. And then Ajax call back them clear form the change clear form and change the button update to the save, then response message product updated successfully. Now come to the delete action, when we click to delete button function, and this function first of all showing the pop-up message, which is I mentioned it into the Ajax script. There is the pop-up message, in the in the delete section there is the pop-up message of if confirmed, there is the are you sure want to delete this product or not. When I click to cancel, the function will be stopped. When I click to OK, they will take the delete route and passed into the URLs pattern, and URLs pattern the function best view they call the views.py, and in this views.py I can see that delete function will here, and in this delete function there is the I found the product ID in the list, and then length of the product list initial length less than 0 less than initial length, then return the JSON product deleted successfully, otherwise product not found will be shown, and all the after that all the product list render to the product list.html they will show. So this was the my project explanation. So thank you.